is about serious effects of plastic pollution.
1. It upsets the food chain. Because it comes in sizes large and small, polluting plastics even affect the world's tiniest organisms such as plankton. When these organisms become poisoned due to plastic ingestion, this causes problems for the larger animals that depend on them for food. This can cause a whole slew of problems, each step further along the food chain. Plus, it means that plastic is present in the fish that many people eat every day. 2. Groundwater pollution. Water conservation is already a concern in places ranging from California to parts of India, but the world's water is in great danger because of leaking plastics and waste. If you've ever seen a garbage dump, imagine what happens every time it rains, then imagine that being in your drinking water. Groundwater and reservoirs are susceptible to leaking environmental toxins. Most of the litter and pollution affecting the world's oceans also derives from plastics. This has had terrible consequences on many marine species, which can lead to consequences for those that eat fish and marine life for nutrients, including people. 3. Land pollution. When plastic is dumped in landfills, it interacts with water and forms hazardous chemicals. When these chemicals seep underground, they degrade the water quality. Wind carries and deposits plastic from one place to another, increasing the land litter. It can also get stuck on poles, traffic lights, trees, fences, towers, etc., and animals that may come in the vicinity and might suffocate them to death. 4. Air pollution. Burning of plastic in the open air leads to environmental pollution due to the release of poisonous chemicals. The polluted air when inhaled by humans and animals affects their health and can cause respiratory problems. 5. It kills animals. Despite countless TV ads over the years showing ducks or dolphins trapped in 6-ring plastic can holders, these items are still used and discarded en masse each day. Whether because the mass of plastic has displaced animals or the related toxins have poisoned them, plastic pollution does a lot of damage to the world's ecosystems. 6. Plastic is poisonous. Man artificially makes plastic by using a number of toxic chemicals. Therefore, the use of an exposure to plastics has been linked to a number of health concerns affecting people around the world. The processes of making, storing, disposing of, and just being around plastics can be extremely harmful to living things. 7. It is expensive. It costs millions of dollars each year to clean affected areas after exposure, not to mention the loss of life to plants, animals, and people. As land becomes more valuable, just finding a place to put garbage is becoming a problem in many parts of the world. Plus, excess pollution leads to decreased tourism in affected areas, significantly impacting those economies.